Hi, hello everyone. This is Mr. M from Algebra Lessons. In this video, we are discussing about how to make a particular variable or a specific variable as the subject of the formula. This is kind of a middle school lesson or kind of the Algebra 1 lesson, but still I found that some students are actually having some hard time to do this process or this procedure. So basically, to do this procedure, you should have some basic idea about how we can do this making subject of the formula. So this is actually kind of the procedure that you are using for the elimination or solving one-step equation procedure. Exactly the same. So the first thing is if you want to make the subject of the formula, if a particular variable as the subject of the formula, what you need to do is you need to isolate that variable. Isolate that variable. That's what you need to do. Isolate it, and then do the remaining procedure. Otherwise, you need to find which variable you need to make the subject of the formula. Just concentrate that variable, then eliminate whatever that you have with that variable. Okay, I will do one or two problems from this, so to make the procedure for more easier for you. So I'm going to do this problem. Okay, so let me find some space for you. So the problem is this: 2a plus 3b equal to 30. So there is a variable given in this parenthesis, that is b. That is actually the variable we need to make as the subject of the formula. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to concentrate specifically that variable. So we need to isolate this b. We need to isolate that b. Okay, so we are actually going to work on that. So first we need to keep the term that consists of b in the same side of the equation and eliminate the other terms, number or variable, whatever it may be. So we have another term here, that is 2a is added with this variable. Okay, so 2a is added with this variable. So let me give you some logistics. If you want to eliminate an addition from an equation, you need to do the reverse operation of subtraction. If you want to eliminate a multiplication from this equation, you want to do the reverse operation of division, and vice versa too. So that is actually the logistics you should have when you approach these kind of problems. So here you have an addition. 2a is added to this 3b. So what you need to do is you need to do the reverse operation of subtraction. So what you need to eliminate? You need to eliminate this 2a. So you are going to subtract that 2a. Be careful when you are doing whatever the operation on one side of the equal sign, you have to do it on the other side, because otherwise it will affect the equilibrium. Okay, so you need to do the same operation on the other side. Yeah, so we are on the right track. So what will happen is the same sign, opposite sign, same quantity will get cancelled out. Okay, so now we can carry forward this 3b equal to 30 minus 2a. Okay, that is the equation that we have now. And what we are looking for? We are specifically looking for the variable b. So we need to work on that variable. Okay, what is here? We have 3b. So 3 is multiplied with b. 3 is multiplied with b. Let me use a different color. It's actually, yeah, b is multiplied with 3. So what I told you, if you want to eliminate a multiplication, what you need to do? Division. So what we need to eliminate? We need to eliminate 3. So you need to do division on both sides of the equal sign. Okay, So what will happen? It will got cancelled out. Okay, so what is the leftover? B equal to 30 minus 2a divided by 3. So this is what we are looking for. See, now look here. Here we have the equation with b as the subject of the formula. This is the procedure. This is only what you need to do when you have this kind of a problem. So keep it in mind. If you have the operation addition, do subtraction. Multiplication, do division. This is actually for elimination. Okay, the same procedure is, this is exactly what you are actually doing for one-step equation, to solve one-step equations. If you have subtraction, do addition. If you have division, do multiplication. Okay, so for making it more concrete, let me do one more problem from the same section. I'm going to choose this problem. A equal to k times h plus 8. So now what you need to do is pause the video and think about what you guys need to do. So here we need to isolate, actually make h as the subject of the formula. So pause the video and think what you need to do to complete this procedure. Okay, so here we need h as the subject of the formula. So we are going to work on that h. We have a product here before the parenthesis. So you know that if you have a product, you need to do division. Okay, on both sides of the equal sign, divide. So cancelled out. So the equation now is a by k equal to h plus 8. So simple. So now what you need, you are looking for h. So you don't need this 8. Get rid of that 8. What is that? There is an addition. Okay, what you need to do if you have an addition? Do subtraction. Boom. Subtract. Cancelled out. So what is the leftover? The leftover on the right side is h, left side is a by k minus 8. This is actually the solution, but some teachers will look for a more beautiful answer. So you can rewrite this as making 1 as a denominator, cross multiply and simplify. So this is a minus 8k divided by k equal to h. So this is actually another form of your solution. So this is the procedure. So we actually discussed most of the kind of the problems that we may face in our worksheets. So we have one more problem to discuss. So I'm going to discuss this problem. A is equal to a plus b into h by 2. We need to make h as the subject of the formula. So the problem is a equal to a plus b into h divided by 2. We need h as the subject of the formula. So we are going to work on this h. Good. So like what I told you before, we need to check what we need to do first. What we need to isolate h. What are the things we don't need at this point? We don't need a plus b, that is a multiplication, and we don't need this denominator too. So if we have such a fraction, try to eliminate the denominator first. Okay, so because this is a division, to do a to eliminate a division, what you need to do? You need to multiply. That is actually the reverse operation. So the equation become a times 2 equal to a plus b into h divided by 2. Okay, multiply by 2. Okay, so what will happen? Boom, boom. So your equation is now 2a equal to a plus b into h. What we are looking for? We are looking for h. H is multiplied with a plus b. You know that if you have a multiplication, what you need to do? Reverse operation, division. Boom. A plus b on both sides of the equal sign. A plus b. Boom, boom. Aha. So h is equal to, h is on the right side, and the left side you have 2a by a plus b. So this is actually the solution. I hope this video helps you guys to understand the procedure. Thank you guys. See you again with another video next time.